Hi there, awesome entrepreneur. I'm Renate Matroos from 26 Consultancy, and I would love to invite all entrepreneurs and small business owners to join my creative workshop, Innovate Your Business. This 2-day workshop will take place at the Chamber of Commerce on October 21st and October 23rd. During this workshop, we will focus on improving your current business model and testing new innovations. You will use your own company as a starting point and will use creativity and innovation as your competitive advantage. So make sure you have been in business for around a year or more, have 3 customers you can call during the first workshop, an open mind, and tons of energy. Sign up now and I will see you during this workshop.